If you've ever taken a photo that looks slightly tilted or crooked, Lightroom Mobile makes it really easy to fix it in just a few taps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-fix angle in Lightroom Mobile using two simple methods so you can straighten your photos quickly and make them look much more professional. This is super useful for portraits, buildings, landscapes, and any photo where the horizon or vertical lines need correction. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is the easiest if you want to use Lightroom's geometry correction tools. Open your photo inside Lightroom Mobile and go to the crop panel. Once you're in the crop tools, look for the geometry section and tap on it. Here, Lightroom can analyze the image and automatically straighten the angle for you. Tap Auto, and Lightroom will try to correct the tilt based on the lines it detects in the photo. This is great when your image has clear edges, buildings, windows, or a visible horizon. After the auto-correction applies, check the result carefully. If it looks a little too much or not enough, you can fine-tune it using the slider until the photo looks perfectly straight. Once you're happy with the angle, tap the check mark or Done to save the adjustment. That's method 1, and it works really well for automatic straightening. Now let's move to method 2. This one is even faster if you just need a quick angle fix. Open the Actions panel in Lightroom Mobile, then look for the Fix Angle option. Tap it, and Lightroom will automatically analyze the photo and straighten it for you. This is a fast one-tap correction that saves time when you don't want to manually adjust anything. After that, just review the photo and make sure the composition still looks natural. If needed, you can always go back and make small adjustments. And that's it. Those are two easy ways to auto-fix angle in Lightroom Mobile. Whether you use the Geometry Auto tool or the Fix Angle action, you can straighten your images in seconds and keep your edits clean and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Lightroom Mobile tip.